This story is clear and steady. You can understand it without effort. Each time you listen, more makes sense. Part 3, 88 Keysum the final choice.
The ship is old and empty now. Rust covers the railings. The sea moves quietly around it. This ship will not sail again. This ship will not sail again. Its time is almost over. Its time is almost over. Workers walk on the deck. They carry heavy boxes. The boxes hold dynamite. The ship is set to explode. Everyone has left the ship. Everyone has left the ship. Only silence stays. Only silence stays. Max runs back onto the deck. He looks around fast. He knows someone is missing. He knows someone is missing. He knows who it is. He knows who it is. Long before this day, another memory begins. 1900 stands on the stairs. A small suitcase is in his hand. He is ready to leave the ship. He is ready to leave the ship. The land waits below. The land waits below. He looks up at the city. Tall buildings fill his eyes. Cars move on every street. People walk in every direction. He searches for the end. He searches for the end. He cannot find one. He cannot find one. Streets keep going and going. Streets keep going and going. The city has no edge. The city has no edge. His breath becomes slow. His breath becomes slow. His hand tightens on the case. His hand tightens on the case. He stops moving. People pass beside him. The noise feels too much. The noise feels too much. The space feels too wide. The space feels too wide. He takes off his hat. He throws it into the sea. The hat sinks away. The hat sinks away. His choice sinks with it. his choice sinks with it. He turns back to the ship. He never looks back again. He stays on the ship for years. He stays on the ship for years. The world changes outside. The world changes outside. War comes and goes. The ship grows weak. Back in the present. Max enters a small shop. Old records sit on shelves. Dust floats in the air. He sees a broken record. He picks it up slowly. He knows this music. He knows this music. He knows who made it. He knows who made it. Max returns to the ship. The halls are dark and cold. He sets the record down. The needle touches the disc. Soft piano music begins. The sound fills the ship. Max calls out a name. Max calls out a name. His voice shakes. His voice shakes. Footsteps answer from below. A man steps into the light. It is 1900. He looks older and thin. His face is calm. His face is calm. His eyes are clear. His eyes are clear. Max runs to him and cries. He asks him to leave. He talks about life on land. He talks about life on land. He talks about new chances. He talks about new chances. 1900 listens in silence. He then walks to the piano. He touches the keys softly. A simple sound rings out. He points at the keyboard. He points at the keyboard. The keys start and stop. The keys start and stop. There are only some keys. There are only some keys. He knows them all. He knows them all. Inside these keys he feels free. Inside these keys he feels free. He knows where music can go. He knows where music can go. He looks toward the city again. Lights stretch without end. The city has no limit. The city has no limit. He does not know where to begin. He does not know where to begin. His place is already chosen. His place is already chosen. It is here on the ship. It is here on the ship. Max understands at last. He turns away in tears. He leaves the ship. He does not look back. A loud explosion breaks the air. Fire fills the sea. The ship disappears forever. The ship disappears forever. The music fades with it. The music fades with it. Only the story remains. Only the story remains. And the sound in memory. And the sound in memory.
We tell movie stories in simple English, so you can picture everything in your mind and learn English naturally through understanding. Follow the channel and make learning English easier.